I am Franck, professor at University of Nantes, specialist in reliability of offshore structures and CEO of the Sea and Littoral Research Institute, IUML in French. I will be introducing IUML and speaking about the pillar of governance. My colleague, Joséphine Labat, engineer in aquaculture and development officer of IUML, will explain why governance is important and the key goals IUML is focusing on. Marine and maritime sciences are facing the analysis of more and more complex technological and societal issues, where interdisciplinary studies play a key role. IUML, an acronym in French for Sea and Littoral Research Institute, gathers more than 20 research units from Region Pays de la Loire and south of Region Brittany in view to stimulate, support, and promote interdisciplinarity. Its four main specific pillars are bioprocesses and marine bioresources, ships of the future marine energies, biodiversity, health and littoral environment, blue growth, governance of marine areas. IUML is acknowledged by CNRS, the National Council of Scientific Research in France, by both the engineering and humanities departments, and considered to be in the top 3 marine and maritime research cluster in France. For such a network with 850 people, the pillar governance of research and innovation requires a thorough analysis. Governance is actually organized with an executive board, 4 people, accompanied by a development officer, a management committee in charge to implement RRI, where RRI champions have been identified, almost 10 people, a stakeholder committee to engage the society in our development, almost 10 people also, and a management board where the strategy policy is defined and decided. It gathers all the CEO of each research unit, so that's more than 20 people.
With so many researchers and scientific topics, IUML is attractive and increasingly called upon its expertise by policymakers, industry, or for being part of events for science education of the inhabitants. Until now, IUML was not organized for selecting and answering to these expectations, which require a clear policy and timelines. Moreover, topics like gender equality, ethics, science education, open access policy, or public engagement were not clearly integrated in our policy. The governance was then our key pillar for including efficiently these 5 key RRI topics in our policy, which in lines will give a sense and indicators to the actions to be selected. We plan to develop 21 actions in line with this pillar. 6 of them have already been implemented, such as the building of a management committee for defining the implementation of actions and monitor their efficiency, or the organization of the stakeholder group who will help to reach more efficient actions with the society and the industry. Others are also crucial and will be implemented before next year, such as the analysis of embedded RRI in SDI systems and funding proposals, and the implementation of RRI in our calls.